Go, go.
Oh. Right, we're going to take on one of these small little chilies. How are you feeling at this moment in time?
Well, I've had a big experience tonight. I've had one of the most emotional experiences of my life. I have licked something, which to me was the expression of licking a Spanish lady's fiery arsehole. And I took such a big lick of that fiery arsehole that now I am gonna join in.
No. Oh, John.
I'm gonna take this little fiery bastard. I'm gonna take this hot, fiery little bastard.
I mean, empty brummy, eh?
Right, you heard it here, ladies and gentlemen. A little
Fiery little bastard. Take it on board.
That was fantastic.
God bless every unit out there.
Everybody get out of the way.
Oh, it's okay.
Ladies and gentlemen.
No. That's a punishment. I'm going to do
He's doing two. Double up.
How much have you must go?
Hold on. Two hot little bastards. I can verify there are two. Just done. I'm moving over.